Hello and welcome to LeBlanc Tech Services. From now on, we're going to be doing things a little bit different because we believe everybody needs a robust home network. Let me start by saying my name is Mark LeBlanc, owner and founder of LeBlanc Tech Services. Since April 2018, I have been professionally full-time helping local residents in my Connecticut area cut the cord. From now on, if you're having a problem with your home network or cutting the cord, or you feel like you're doing something wrong, ask us. We'll make you a video. All we ask for is that you hit that thumbs up button and you subscribe to our YouTube channel and our various other forms of social media. If you are still looking for the full service approach, we got you covered also. We have put together a 3-tier service plan with flexible monthly or annual payment options and limited availability. Once we've already serviced your home and we've done a full baseline home tech evaluation, there's going to be 3 tiers. Tier 1, there's going to be 500 spots available. It's going to be priced at $300 a year or $27 a month. It's going to include the home tech evaluation once a year, free over-the-phone tech support and troubleshooting, free labor on upgrades every 2 years, and if you request a YouTube video, you get it within 48 hours. The second tier adds over-the-phone video diagnosis, and if you request a YouTube video, you get it within 24 hours. That plan has 300 available spots. It's $500 a year or $45 a month. The third tier adds support for home devices such as SONOS, Alexa, Ring, etc., free upgrades on routing equipment every 2 years, along with free labor. And once a quarter, we'll drive out there to do a full Wi-Fi diagnosis to ensure your Wi-Fi is in tip-top shape. I will post in the description a link for a free 20-minute over-the-phone consultation to discuss your needs, regardless on whether you intend to buy the plan or not. We hope, with this new business model, we successfully help connect everybody efficiently and effectively, regardless of income or social status. Thank you, everybody. Please smash that thumbs up button, and I look forward to helping you with all your home Wi-Fi or cord cutting needs.